They say the key to playing fast is practicing slow. Let's test that theory. In this workout, we're alternate picking over 2 pentatonic scale shapes. If you just follow me, I'll get you playing at 5 notes per second. Go get your guitar. This is the third alternate picking workout of level 4. In the first workout, we just focused on the open strings and introducing our right hand to this new technique. In the second workout, we gradually learned to synchronize our hands by using a few different types of spider crawl exercises. But now, let's start trying out some alternate picking over something a little more practical and musical. Pentatonic scales, woo! We're gonna use the 2 most common pentatonic shapes, the stacked pentatonic that we mastered in level 3, and the pentatonic box that we learned earlier in level 4. So if you haven't done those or don't know what I'm talking about, that might be a good place to start. First, we'll start with the pentatonic box because it's pretty symmetrical. There's only 2 notes per string, so each string gets a down up. We're gonna play this shape in the 5th fret, which makes it a C major pentatonic or an A minor pentatonic, depending on the context. Here's what it looks like at our goal speed of 150 beats per minute. Normally, when we've done exercises with these scales, we've played it forwards and backwards with a break in between. But not this time. No breaks. And that's to help you get more comfortable with awkward alternate picking. When we play it forwards, each note gets a down up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. But if we don't take a break, then it's gonna be up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's gonna feel a little unnatural at first, but that's exactly why we should work on it. Then in round 2, we're gonna do the same thing, but this time with a stacked pentatonic shape. We're gonna be starting in the 3rd fret, which makes this shape a G major pentatonic or an E minor pentatonic, depending on the context. This scale shape is a little gnarly, so this time we're gonna start at 50 beats per minute and work up to 100 beats per minute. And if you want a little extra challenge, you can just increase the playback speed of the video. But here's what that looks like. This one might be a little rough because we're alternating between 3 notes per string and 2 notes per string. So it's not symmetric at all. You just have to really focus on keeping your hand moving down and up. And if you haven't mastered the previous exercises using these scale shapes, I strongly suggest checking those out if you're having a hard time with this one. Before we start, I just want to briefly go over holding a pick. Because up until now, I've always said to kind of lightly hold the pick so it gives a little bit and glides across the strings. But we want to change that now. As you're getting into speedy alternate picking, you actually want to start to hold the pick tighter, and thicker picks actually make it easier than thinner picks. So mess around with those. Also, make sure that you're holding the pick close to your hand on the side of your finger like this, as opposed to far away from your hand with extended fingers like this. The further the pick is from the point of rotation, the more energy you have to use. So it actually is easier to use it closer to your hand. And if you're having trouble with string accuracy, make sure that you're choking up on your pick and not letting too much of it stick out like this. You want to hold your pick like you wear shoes. If your shoes go too far past your toes, you're going to trip more often. And if your pick goes too far past your thumb, you're going to trip more often. All right, that's enough about holding the pick. Let's get into the exercises. Might not be a bad idea to pause the video and try each shape out a couple times at your own speed just to warm up, but when you're ready, hit play and let's do this. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, up, 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 down. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, last one. 1, 2, ready, go. Bonus round! Let's see if you can do 2 in a row. No breaks. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. All right, round 1, done. Well, if you need to take a break and you're liking this workout, why not physically like the workout? You know, it makes YouTube happy, makes me happy. Maybe it'll make you happy too. Thanks. All right, here's round 2. 1, 2, ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. Ready, go. All right, here's the last one. Ready, go. Bonus round. See if you can do 2 with this one. I believe in you. 1, 2, ready, go. Yeah, nice work. How'd you do? Did you get through it on the first try, or do you think it might take a couple weeks? Let me know in the comments. Well, now that you can evenly alternate pick over some weird asymmetric scale shapes, we can start getting a little more musical. Next, we're gonna start trying some rhythms with alternate picking over pentatonic scale shapes, so start mentally preparing yourself for that. If you're liking these videos and wanna make sure that I'm pumping them out on a weekly basis, you just gotta keep me caffeinated. Just click the link down in the pinned comments and you can help keep my veins loaded with caffeine. And if you don't want to do that, but you still want to help the channel out, just click a button or 2. Maybe 3. Maybe 4. Yeah, 4. Click 4 buttons. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.